Hello, children. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Okay, fine. All of you have your breakfast? Okay, good. Children, in the previous class, what we had learned? Yes, in the previous class, we are going to learn about food for us. Yes or no, children? Yes. On that topic, are you remember on that topic, children? Okay, good. Once again you have to repeat the topics. Okay, what is the topic? Healthy food habits, kinds of food, raw and cooked food, balanced dieting food, and bodybuilding food, etc. Okay, na children? These kind of food habits we have to learn in that previous class. Okay, are you remember that, children? Okay, good. Now we are going to discussing about a new topic. Okay, na children? Are you ready for that? Okay, good. Okay, today's our new topic name is clothes for us. What is that, children? Can you repeat that again? Clothes for us. This is our today's topic name. Okay, na children? Now, children, without clothes, we have to go and spend outside? Yes, it is impossible. So, what you understand? Clothes is very important to us. Okay, na children? Okay, children, do you know in our life have 5 important points to live our life? Do you know, children, what are they? Yes, they are food, air, water, shelter and clothes. Can you once again I can repeat that again, children? Are you listen that carefully? Food, air, water, clothes and shelter. These are very important points in our life. Okay, na children? To live our life long. These are very important. Okay, na children? Okay. Now we have to discuss this lesson. The topic is clothes for us. That is one of the important topic is today's we have to learn. Okay, na children? Okay, the important topic is clothes. Clothes is also very important to us. Yes or no, children? Yes. Now we have look at here, children, all of you. We wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, wind and rain. Can you repeat that again, children? We wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, wind and rain. Yes or no, children? For which purpose we have to use clothes? Yes, we have to cover our body to protect ourselves. This purpose we have to use the clothes. Yes or no, children? From what? From heat, cold, wind and rain. We have to protect ourselves. Okay, na children? Now let us watch. Long ago, people did not wear clothes. They covered themselves with leaves and skin of dead animals. Children, look at here. Long ago means in our olden days, people did not wear clothes. In our olden days, people did not wear clothes because they don't know what is clothes and how to use the clothes. So on that time, they are think how to cover our body and how to protect our body. So they think they have to got an idea. What is that, children? They use leaves and skin of dead animals to cover their body and protect their body in our olden days. Now we are using many different types of cloths. Yes or no, children? Yes. Okay, children, now slowly people learn to make clothes. On the time too, they developing by step. They are developed by step by step. They slowly, once upon a time, what they used to protect their body? Yes, they used leaves and skin of dead animals. And step by step, they are slowly developed and they learn to make clothes to wear and to protect themselves. Okay, na children? Okay, look at here, children. Here is in so many pictures. It is a different regions of clothes. Yes or no, children? People in different countries and different kinds of clothes here we have to see. Okay, na children? Do you know about these countries and these kind of clothes? Are you seeing our? Okay. Okay, children. Now we have to continue that. Now we have to continue that, children. Here, look at here. Look at, children, here. Different clothes for different seasons. Okay, na children? What is here? Different clothes for different seasons. Okay, na children? What is different clothes for different season? Children, you may use different clothes for different seasons. Yes or no? Yes. In summer season, we have to use cotton cloths. Winter season, woolen cloths. Rainy season, we have to use umbrellas, raincoats. Yes or no, children? Yes. Yes, that is only here is the topic. What is that? We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. Yes, we wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. They keep us cool. We wear cotton clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. They keep us cool. Yes or no, children? In summer season, we have to use cotton cloths. Why? Because yes, in summer season we have to use cotton cloths because it keeps us very cool. Because in summer season we feel very hot and then we don't feel free. Then we have to use cotton cloths means we will be feel cool and be free. Yes or no, children? Yes. Now the second point. We wear woolen clothes in winter. They keep us warm. In winter season, which type of clothes we wear, children? Yes, in winter season we have to use woolen cloths. That means sweaters, caps, etc. So they keep us warm because in winter season we have to feel it is very cold. Then we have to use hot heat giving cloths like warm, like woolen cloths. Yes or no, children? Yes. Now the third point is going. We wear raincoat when we go out in the rain. Keep us dry. Children, in the rainy season, what we use? Yes, in the rainy season we have to use raincoats, umbrellas, shoes, etc. Because when we go out, we have to don't get any healthy diseases. Yes or no, children? So on the rainy season we have to use to protect your body to use only raincoats or umbrellas, etc. Because it keeps us dry. Yes or no, children? Yes. Then good. The next one. What are cloths made of? What are cloths made of? What are cloths made of means ఏ విధమైనటువంటి క్లాత్స్ ఏ విధంగా తయారవుతాయి అనేది ప్రశ్న. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్? వాట్ ఆర్ క్లాత్స్ మేడ్ ఆఫ్? ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్? నౌ లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్. We get cotton from the cotton plant. We get cotton from the cotton plant. Cotton grows in pots. Cotton grows in pots. The pots are picked and thread is made from them. The pods are picked and thread is made from them. Children, where we get from cotton? Yes, we get from cotton plant. Yes or no, children? We get cotton from the cotton plant. Then this is the cotton plant. Yes or no, children? These are pods. Cotton grows in pods. Okay, na children? Then the pods are picked. And thread is made from them. This is the cotton plant. And the pods are grown here. The cotton of pods are grown here. And we have to pick it that pods and make them into thread. Okay, na children? Okay. Next, making thread from cotton is called spinning. Making thread from cotton is called spinning. Okay, na children? This is the process of spinning. We have to making thread. A thread is making from which is using cotton to make thread. This process is called as spinning. Okay, na children? This thread is made into cloth on a loom. Making cloth from thread is called weaving. Okay, na children? This thread. Here, look at here, children. This is the thread. This is made into the cloth on a loom. This is the loom. Okay, na children? This is the loom. This thread is made into cloth. It is on loom. When making cloth of thread, we have to use this thread and making cloth. This process is called as weaving. Okay, na children? When we have to take cotton and make into thread, the process is called spinning. And we have to use this thread and make into cloth. This process is called as weaving. Okay, na children? Okay. Now, the thick hair on a sheep's body is called wool. Look at here, children. This is the sheep. Are you seeing? Okay. Do you know this animal, children? Okay. This sheep's skin. Here is a thick hair now, children. This is the wool. This hair is cleaned and turned into woolen thread. This hair is, we have to take this animal skin, sheep skin, we have to take this skin and clean and make him into woolen thread. Is like this. Okay, na children? We have to use this woolen to make him to sweaters, caps and socks. Yes or no, children? This woolen thread we have to use to make socks, sweaters, caps, etc. Okay, na children? Okay. Now we get silk from silkworms. Silk is used to make scarves, saris and many other things. Okay, na children? We have to wear silk cloths. Yes or no, children? From where we get on that silk? Yes, we have to use this silk. This silk we have to get silkworms. This is the silkworm. This insect is used to make silk. This insect is used to collect silk. This silk used to form silkworms. Okay, na children? This insect name in Telugu is Gongali Purugu. Do you know, children? Are you watch any time? Gongali Purugu? Yes, we have to use these insect to form silkworms. Okay, na children? This silk is used to make scarves, saris and many other things. Okay, na children? Okay. Next, look here, children. Some of us wear uniforms. Yes or no, children? Yes, some of us wear uniforms. Do you know that uniforms, children? Which persons are wear uniforms mostly? Yes, doctors, police, watchmen, nurse, postmen, etc. These uniforms. Who are they? Which people have their professions to use uniforms? Okay, now children. Okay, common people are wear common dresses, but when they are in one profession, they have to use that profession uniform. Okay, now children. Okay, look at here, children. Like you also use. We have to go to school now. That time you have to wear uniforms. Yes or no, children? Like that only. Their professions use their uniforms. Okay, no, children. You wear your uniform at school. Yes or no, children? You wear your uniform to school. Yes, similarly means అదే విధంగా there are others to wear a uniform. There are others who wear a uniform. When you going to school, that time you have to wearing your school uniform like that only. Same like that only. There are others which are doing their professions have to use their uniforms. Okay, now children. Okay, now doctors are like that who which the professions some are who is seen here. Doctors, nurses, people in the police and postmen wear uniforms. Yes or no, children? Yes, good. Now people in different parts of our country wear different kinds of clothes. Yes or no, children? People in different parts of our country have different types of parts and different kinds of people. They have to use different kinds of dresses. Yes or no, children? They have to use different kinds of dresses for to protect themselves. Okay, no, children? These girls saying here, children, look, these people, they are wearing different kinds of clothes. Look at this, children. These people are wearing different kinds of clothes. Yes or no? Which is related to their areas. Yes or no, children? Yes, we must wear clean clothes. We must wear clean clothes. We look smart when we wear clean clothes. But different kinds of people wear different kinds of clothes. Yes or no, children? But any clothes, any type of clothes, any country, any area, we have to use clean clothes. We have to use clean clothes. Then only we look smart. We look smart. Okay, no, children? Have to become a smart person. To look smart person. But how? When we use clean and neat clothes, then we have to look smart person. Okay, na, children? Okay, children, thank you for watching this video. Next class we have to continue this. Okay, na, children?